Hey everyone, welcome back. If Face ID or fingerprint login is not working on bunq, here's how to fix it. First, try logging in manually using your email and password to confirm your account works. Then open your phone's setting and then go ahead and search for Face ID and passcode and make sure that you have enabled biometric login for the bunq app. Sometimes permissions get turned off after updates. Then clean your front camera if you are using Face ID and make sure you are in a good lighting for fingerprint login. Ensure your finger is dry and properly placed on the sensor. Then restart your phone and reopen the bunq app. If it still does not work, disable the biometric login inside the app and re-enable it again. Finally, head over to your app store or your Play Store, search for bunq and update your app to the latest version. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. That's how to fix the bunq Face ID not working. Subscribe for more quick fixes.